What's up everyone, my name is Louis. Today I'm here to review a pair of Bluetooth headphones from Mpow. First I want to say no one is paying me to review this product. I purchased these headphones with my own money 3 weeks ago. These headphones are over-the-ear style headsets. Also they are hi-fi, stereo wireless, and they're foldable. In Amazon, they have 7 different colors from black and red all the way to pink. These headsets are affordable, pricing from $33 US to $39 US. In my own opinion, these headsets are great for listening to music and using them when you receive a phone call. The Mpow 059 headsets are great for video creators if you are checking audio levels because you are able to connect the headsets to the camera. The headsets also have great bass and treble, and the vocals when listening to music or audio comes out very clear. All links to the Mpow 59 will be in the description below. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.